Sorry, I never heard this before.
Marwa,
So. See,
what are we doing?
we are making chocolate.
We are making chocolate.
Oh, I didn't know so.
We
Thank
are in
you.
a small chocolate factory company. That's an activity for birthday. Today it's 24th. It's actual birthday. Parties on Friday, today is Wednesday. And for this day we chose this activity, chocolate making. We already got
I just do one second.
chocolate. Sokolata is the name of the company here in Accra. And let's start. We learn about chocolate making process first. Now we're gonna prepare our own.
So that's melted cocoa butter.
Melted cocoa butter.
Cocoa butter.
Cocoa butter. I'll have the mixture on the side. So this is how you temper. Tempering. Yeah.
Let's use both, okay?
Well, I want to do all. Then you pour it back. It's easier when you start.
Ah, did you hear that?
Mm.
It's easier when you stand.
Mm.
We have the manager supervising. So what are you doing right now?
Tempering.
Tempering, okay.
Tempering.
To melt quickly.
Should we do the whole thing?
No.
Okay. I forgot how to do this again. Just like that?
So you get spread.
Ah, like that. Okay.
It looks nutty. So there's another process that will get the nuts out of it.
It's not nuts.
Mm.
Such a nice packaging too. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday, happy birthday to ya. Hey. Happy birthday to ya. Oh no, you got this. Have faith in your skills. Ooh, there you go, like a pro. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
That feel good. I made it.
Very properly British born, the brown brick. They probably brought the brick with them
Full-blown Korean tonight.
Go there?
No?
It was a nice concert, nice to go.
Driving chance, but be like 250 here local.
Just one.
Did you find anything?
Yeah. Elephant for V.
You can do it stronger.
For the kids.
So you see we're in a local market browsing for gifts. Well, not me. Not my thing. And I can't wait to go back to the car because people are harassing me. Because I look like a royal prince, so they want money. Few words about today. So today is Christmas Eve, like I said before. We went to a little chocolate manufacturer, and it was called Sokolata from Greek. So the girl learned how to make chocolate in UK and came back here, opened a business. I think she likes Greece, so the name was from Greek, Sokolata. Really nice place. You can prepare chocolates yourself. Try learn a little bit, and plus she organized cake for Marlo's father for birthday as a surprise. So even on a short notice, big props to her that to making it up to have a cake on time. Later we went to a really nice neighborhood and a nice Korean restaurant. So much food, I'm still full. And then we went to town, to city center, downtown, I don't know, some like local market. I don't recommend that. They sell all the souvenirs and all the stuff like kinda local, but you know, I don't believe it's like the authentic stuff. And especially if you're like white or you look American, you're not gonna get any good price for anything. They like lots of scammers. Kids were chasing me, begging for money. It's like I don't like it. You can hear we have kids here. I am buying them sweets and toys, so I have kids to, you know, spoil, not them on the street because they're like hustlers. Okay, that's it for today. Tomorrow, first day, Christmas Day. See you tomorrow.